Om. Introduction to the healing power of nature. How to connect with nature for spiritual growth. Namaste and welcome to Trance Mindset, where we explore the fascinating world of spirituality and self-discovery. My name is Tanmoy and I live in the foothills of the great Himalayas. Through this channel, I bring to you the ancient spiritual wisdom from India and the great Himalayan mountains. If these are of your interest and you like what you see, consider subscribing. Today in this video, I'll be talking about the importance of connecting with nature for spiritual growth, and I'll show you how to do it. Nature has a powerful healing energy that can help us connect with our inner selves and find inner peace. When we spend time in nature, we feel more grounded, connected, and at peace. It's a wonderful way to recharge our energy and find inspiration and clarity. Let me share with you a few tips to help you connect with nature and harness its healing power for spiritual growth. Tip number 1. Spend time outdoors. Whether it's hiking in the woods, walking on the beach, or simply sitting in your backyard, make time to be in nature as often as possible. Tip number 2. Be present. When you are in nature, try to be fully present at the moment. Pay attention to the sights, sounds, and smells around you and let yourself be immersed in the experience. Tip number 3. Meditate. Use nature as a backdrop for your meditation practice. Find a quiet spot to sit and meditate and allow yourself to connect with the natural energy around you. Tip number 4. Practice gratitude. Take time to appreciate the beauty and wonder of nature and express gratitude for all the blessings it provides. How to connect with nature? There are many ways to connect with nature. I have a list of the most common ways to do so. On your screen, you can see a list of the most common ways to connect with nature. They are hiking, camping, fishing, swimming, gardening, bird watching, stargazing, meditation, yoga, spending time in your backyard, or simply taking a walk around the block. The best way to connect with nature is to find activities that you enjoy and that allows you to spend time in the natural world. There is no right or wrong way to connect with nature, so experiment and find what works best for you. Always keep in mind that nature is a powerful healer that can help us find inner peace and spiritual growth. By taking the time to connect with nature, we can tap into its healing energy and find a deeper sense of connection with ourselves and the world around us. Connecting with nature is a simple and powerful way to improve your spiritual health. When we spend time in nature, we can relax, de-stress, and connect with something larger than ourselves. This can lead to improved mental, physical, and emotional health. So get out there and explore the natural world. You may be surprised at how much it can benefit you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Namaste.